How to create GroupMe account. So if you want to create a GroupMe account, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed GroupMe application, tap on GroupMe and open up the application. Once you've opened, here on the bottom you will have create an account option. Tap on create an account and then you need to create your account using your email, or you can also choose Google, Facebook or Microsoft. So I'll be tapping email, and here to create your account you need to enter your first name, or you need to enter your name, and then you need to enter your email address and you need to create a password. So make sure to enter a strong password, and once you enter your password you need to tap on the box which is on the bottom so that you agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and enter your password and then tap on create account. And once you tap on create account, here it will ask you to enter your phone number. So choose your country code by tapping on it and then enter your mobile number. Tap on text pin and then tap on text me. And once you enter the code which you have received to your phone number, and once you verify your phone number, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your GroupMe account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.